Hey tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest features of the VisionAI Pro smart glasses. Syncing them with your smartphone. By the end of this video, you'll be connected and ready to experience real-time translation, navigation, and voice commands. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your VisionAI Pro glasses, obviously, plus any smartphone, whether you're using iPhone or Android. We'll also download the free VisionAI Companion app from your device's app store. It takes just 2 minutes and gives you full control over your glasses. Let's start by opening your phone's app store. Search for VisionAI Companion. It's the one with the blue and silver glasses icon. Hit download and let it install completely. Once it's done, open the app and create a free account using your email. Don't worry, it's super straightforward and takes just a minute. Now for the magic part. Pairing. First, press and hold the small button on the right temple of your VisionAI Pro glasses for 3 seconds. You'll see a blue light blinking. That means they're in pairing mode. Next, make sure Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. Keep both devices within 10 feet of each other to ensure a strong connection. Switch back to the VisionAI Companion app on your phone. You'll see a Pair New Device button front and center. Tap it, and your phone will search for nearby devices. You'll see VisionAI Pro appear in the list. Select it. A confirmation message will pop up on your glasses display. Accept it, and boom, you're connected. Perfect. You're synced. Now let's personalize your experience. In the Companion app, you can choose your preferred languages for real-time translation. Select your voice assistant's accent, and enable features like turn-by-turn navigation. Take a moment to explore the privacy settings too. You control exactly what permissions you give to each feature. Let's make sure everything's working perfectly. Try saying, "Hey VisionAI," to activate the voice assistant. Point your glasses at something and test the real-time translation. You should also receive phone notifications right on your glasses display. If everything's running smoothly, congratulations! You're fully synced and ready to explore. And that's how easy it is to sync your VisionAI Pro with your smartphone. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech guides. Drop a comment below. Tell me which feature you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring with your new smart glasses.